that's not very fun. And our arms, I guess, is that what you call it? We'll be kayaking. That's a GoPro, I'm talking to my YouTubers. Because they think I'm funny and my dad's a loser. Droplets in the water, that's not freaking, how is it on there? Do not put this on live. Actually, you can't, because I'm hilarious.